bringing you fried rice.
We're going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. In here, we already have our chicken already seasoned and cooked. Let's check on our chicken to make sure all the sides are brown. You have to watch out for popping.
Yeah, we need to watch that.
Our little chef is scared, so he's hiding somewhere. Okay, the chicken is brown, so we're just going to take it out of the oil and we're going to start our fried rice. Over here we have our prep veggies.
We have green pepper, red pepper, carrots, bell pepper, broccoli, and onions.
We are starting by adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. To that, we are going to add our onions. In here, I'm going to add about a tablespoonful of curry. I am not a big fan of soy sauce, so I'm using curry instead. And curry will give it that greenish, yellowish color. Then to add our chicken back in, toss it around a little bit. Let's add in our carrots. Our broccoli. Our green pepper and bell peppers. We forgot about something. We are adding about half of peas. And at this time, if you want to season it, you can. We are not going to add any more seasoning, but you can add some garlic powder, some onion powder to it. And lastly, we are going to add the rice. It mixes very well with your vegetable sauce. All right, so we are going to leave it on the stove for about 3 minutes and it will be ready to be served. So this is the end of our dinner. Thank you so much for watching. We'll come back with another recipe. Goodbye. Mr. Little Chef, you have to say something?
Please leave a comment for me.
Thank you. Bye-bye.